Here we have the two Rheem Classic series units at my grandparents' lake house. So it'll probably be the last time I'll be able to get a video of these since they're looking to sell the lake house next month. As you can see, it says Rheem Classic series. If I recall correctly, these are heat pumps. And the data panel, yeah, it's right on the back right corner over here. Let's see here, it's an air conditioner. Let's see here, the model number is RPNE-024JAZ. It is manufactured in 2006. Let's see here, serial number is the 7344M2706222352. Not sure how you can read that, but maybe you'll be able to read it. So that's that Rheem, and here's the other Rheem. I forget which one's for upstairs or downstairs. I think this one's for upstairs, but here's the other Rheem. It's pretty much the same as this one, more if I recall correctly. And its model number is RPNE-024JAZ. Is also made in 2006. The serial number is 7344M2706222347. So yeah, it's this guy. Gotta get focused there. And yeah, nothing really too special about them right now. I mean, they're currently both off, as you can see. But I thought I'd at least get a video of these guys for one last time, since I think my last video is from like 2012 or 2013 or something in there. So yeah, it's been a while since I had videoed these guys. So here I have one last video of these two units before this house gets sold off. Over and out.